Okay, let's start the fast configuration in VTP devices. First of all, we would like to select the language. The language, we have different languages. I stay with English, tap OK. And then, because we are configuring the Villa solution, we tap the Villa and tap OK. The first step is to set the installer password in VTH, in the monitor. We put twice time, and then we have to set the email address. I put very simple, just and next step is to initialize the VTO. As you see on the first row, the local device, it means VTH is already initialized. The second one row, VTO, is not initialized, so we have to initialize it. We click the initialize button, and then we have to set the password for VTO. I put very simple password and enroll it once again. Then tap OK, and as you see, both devices are already initialized. The next step is to set the IP addresses of devices. We tap Next and start with the IP address of monitor. As you see, the default IP address is 155. We can stay with this IP address, tap OK, and then we go to the addition of IP address of VTO. The IP address of VTO is also at default. Also, the very important information is that we tap the main, because this VTO is a SIP server, is our SIP server, and that's why it could be set as a main. We can also set the date and time, but I can neglect it and tap OK. And then there is one key config button. I tap it, and together these two devices will configure each other. Tap, and we have to wait just about 1 minute, because the outdoor station required to be restarted, and it's restarting right now. And after it, we can just use the devices. We will have configuration between devices, communication between them. We can see the picture from the camera on VTO, and we can call the monitor. It's just about 1 minute configuration, so we have to wait a while. Okay, now it should be ready in a few seconds. Let's wait. Okay, and at this moment we have to wait until this icon disappears. The icon in the middle, because it means that the devices are not connected together. The monitor was not registered into the outdoor station. But we can see, if we have the picture from the camera, There is picture from the camera. We can open the door.
The door is unlocked.
Okay, we can talk. Hello.
The end of the call.
And in a few seconds we should also call from the outdoor station.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
It's now they are connected. We can answer the call. Hello. Open the
The door
door.
is unlocked. The end of the call.
Yes, so as you see, the system is already configured.